highways and state roads. The National Health Mission today organized a state-level media workshop on tuberculosis elimination in Shillong. The workshop is aimed at improving outreach on the National Tuberculosis Elimination Program to the masses and communities through the support of the media. Speaking at the workshop, Ram Kumar IAS Mission Director and MD NHM Meghalaya said that COVID-19 is very similar to tuberculosis or TB in terms of the ways patients are handled. Kumar said unfortunately, unlike COVID-19, TB was never given the due attention as it looks more or less like a poor man's disease. All CHCs have been equipped with TB testing centers. Kumar added that the state targets to eliminate TB by 2025.
The attention which we gave for COVID, we are not able to give the continued media attention or all the attention required for TB patients, unfortunately. Now, why is that? COVID, irrespective of whether you came from much rich background or very affluent background or from a very well-connected background, it kind of reached out to everyone. So COVID was a very egalitarian disease. Unfortunately, TB is more or less looked like a poor man's disease. That's why it does not get attention.
Secretary Shnong of Amjak Rajesh